Hello, myself Dr. Barsa. Welcome to Medsino. So today we'll be learning about bacterial growth curve in microbiology session. There are four main stages of bacterial growth curve, and those are lag stage, log stage, stationary, and the dead or declining stage. Before that, we have to know about bacterial count, done by two methods like viable count and total count. What is viable count? Viable means life, which is living. So it is the total number of live bacteria. When the division increases, then the viable count will automatically increase, and if death occurs, means like if death increases, then viable count will decrease, and total count is viable count plus the dead count. We sum it up, and that is the total count of bacteria. So let's talk about the lag phase. So lag phase is the phase which starts after the inoculum. So here the nutrition is abundant, so the bacteria adjusts to the environment, and the most important highlight of this phase is bacteria takes all the nutrients and the bacteria size increases. So bacteria will swell up because its growth is happening because there is nutrient rich media. Then comes the second phase, which is the log phase. Log phase is like the exponential phase where new progeny of bacteria will increase. It means bacteria divides in binary fission and there will be exponential division of the bacteria. So viable count increases in log phase. It is the most metabolically active phase of the bacteria. So here the staining is done very well. Then the third phase is the stationary phase. Stationary phase is that phase where there is no division phase. The viable count either increases or remains stationary. Death count increases, so the total count remains increase. Then there is toxin production increase because slowly the bacteria is dying, so they will release toxic products, and there is spore formation in this phase. Spore formation is happening because in stationary phase the bacteria is facing an adverse condition. So in adverse condition bacteria form spore, and they also produce exotoxins, antibiotics, and bacteriocins. These are some chemicals which help the bacteria in adjusting to the depleting nutrition. And the last phase is a dead or declining phase. In dead or declining phase, death occurs, so the death count increases, the viable count also decreases. Hence, the total count remains stationary. The nutrition is depleted totally. Toxic products increase more because now more bacteria are dying, and involution forms also.